Hi, my name's Belinda. Welcome to my channel. I'm 43 and I love everything about beauty, hair products, makeup, skincare, everything. So I wanted to share with you and give some reviews on some products that I've been trying and share a few tips and ideas that I've come across. Absolutely no expert at any of this, and I have to apologise for the quality of the film. It's just done on an iPad, so the colour isn't always great and the sound's not. So if you like anything beauty, keep watching. Thanks then.
So I spotted this on the shelf. I've never bought an advent calendar with things in it. Obviously this is from Christmas and we are now in June. £2 this was, and it's 12 days of beauty. So I'm going to pop it open and see what items we get in here for £2. I'm imagining when it was Christmas it was probably at least 5. So let's open each of the days and see what we get. Okay, day 1. Oh no, that's day 7. I don't necessarily need to do it in order, do I? But we will do. Day 1 is the biggest thing. Can't get it open. It's a cosmetic palette. What on earth is that for? What am I supposed to do with that? I presume you must put eyeshadows in it. Ah, cut my finger. I'm not sure. Odd. Right, that's day 1. Day 2. Oh, this looks nice. Highlighter. Oh, that's pretty. Oops. That's really nice. Nice colour, I like that. Perfect. Day 3. This is quite exciting. Oh, lipstick. And it looks like a colour I might even be able to wear. I usually find in things like this the colours that you won't wear. No, maybe not. That might not be my colour. It's nice though. It's like a sort of a, what do you call that? Rosy. It's not really that pink. It's not bad. Doesn't say what shade it is. Day 4 looks like a bit of a skinny door. God, Bennett. You don't want you in these. Oh, it's ripped. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's a bit naff. Day 4 is an emery board. Just a little one. That's all right to go in your handbag. Day 5. I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Found it. Another lippy. Oh no, this is not my colour at all. Oh, crikes. I suppose they have to appeal to a lot of different people. Oh, it looked worse than it actually is. It's not bad. It's sort of a purpley colour. It's a bit random. But actually, no, last winter, the very dark colours were in, weren't they? So I suppose when this was for sale, that would suit some people. Might give that one away. Right, what number are we on now? I think we're on day 7 now. Doesn't really matter. Don't have to go in order, do we? Right, okay. Ooh. Again, possibly not my colours, but not bad at all. Eyeshadows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got numbers on them. Oh, they're pretty cute. Not really my colours, but they're nice. Like browns and bronzes. Lovely. Day 8. Now, this looks like a nice colour for me. This looks like a lip gloss. That's sort of a pinky colour. That's lovely. Like that. Day 9, nearly there. 3 more. £2 for all of this. Oh, can't believe it. They had some more as well. Right, blusher. That's nice. Yeah, that's sort of a rosy pink colour. Ooh, this one looks nice. Oh, now that is my colours. More eyeshadows. So they are for smoky eyes. Oh, they're lovely. So you've got a white, a silver, charcoal and sort of a dark colour. Very nice. And then finally, oh no, I've missed day 6. Oh, what an idiot. thought I jumped over it. I did, what a plonker. Oh, not that it was really worth doing. So day 6 was a double-ended eyeshadow applicator, and it's popped out the box. I can't find it. I'm hoping that comes, I can't find it. And then finally for day 12, we've got a lip liner. And that's in sort of a, you can't really see that. That's like a sort of a rosy colour that will go with, I would have thought, that lipstick. So that is not bad for £2. 12 items. I found another one. I've missed 11. Absolute nightmare. Right, here's day 11. If I can get in it. Come on. Oh, okay. This is nice. Sharpener. Eyeliner, lip liner, sharpener. That. Let's make sure I've opened them all. So I've got all this stuff. So I've got lipstick. So we've got 2 lipsticks. Blusher. Pencil sharpener. Emery board. Lip liner. Very nice. Eyeshadows, which I will like. Highlighter. More eyeshadows. A double-ended applicator, wherever that's gone. Lip gloss. And then this cosmetic palette, which I'm presuming you have to buy Poundland eyeshadows to go in there. So for £2, I think that is an absolute bargain. I think that's got to be the best thing I've ever bought from Poundland. That is really, really good. So let me know if you managed to get one of those at Christmas when they were available, or they might even still have them in your shops now. Hope you've enjoyed watching. Great if you wanted to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost anything to do it. It's very easy to just hit subscribe, so why not? I do lots and lots of different videos. Try and do 2 or 3 a week, usually at the weekends because I do work full time. Beauty related, most of them, but I'm starting to venture out into a few different things. So it'd be great to see you on another video sometime soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.